asked me to speak now.
No.
Let me speak. Let me speak.
We are not quarreling.
I'm not quarreling with you. I want to speak. I'm not being difficult.
Bros.
The only consent I am giving you as at now is this car paper and driving license. Any other consent I am not giving you. If I want to give you any other consent now, it has to be, for example, maybe my lawyer is the only person I can furnish that information to, and he can talk to you. The only talk I have with you right now is this my car paper.
Ó ga báyìí o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ta ló wà lórí ẹ̀tọ́, ta ló sí lórí ẹ̀tọ́. Fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí, a máa lọ wo fídíò yìí. Mo kí gbogbo wa káàárọ̀, a kú ọ̀sẹ̀ tuntun. Ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí yóò dára fún wa, yóò sàn wá. Ṣé rí fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí? Mo rí lórí platform Somto Okonkwo. Mo ní kí mo wá fún wa kádìjọ kọ́gbọ́n nínú fídíò yìí, kádìjọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní community yìí, ẹ̀yin lawyers àti ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá, that is ẹ̀yin amòfin àti ẹ̀yin agbófinró àti àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè tá à ń pa òfin mọ́ àti gbogbo ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n pátápátá tí wọ́n ní òye, tí wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ nípa òfin. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dá sí kíní ká lè dìjọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Láàrin ọlọ́pàá àti dírẹ́bà yìí, ta ló wà lórí ẹ̀tọ́, ta ló sí lórí ẹ̀tọ́? Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gan? Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wo fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá mi pín kí gbogbo ènìyàn ká lè jọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ níbẹ̀. Kẹ́sọ̀ ìwọ ọkàn yín. Kì í ṣe pé láti dá ẹnìkan lẹ́bi tàbí dá ẹnìkan láre, ṣùgbọ́n ká lè jọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ká lè mọ̀ nígbà táwọn bá gbé mọ́tò jáde níbẹ̀ yẹn, ká lè rí ọgbọ́n kan tàbí méjì kọ́ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ ṣé, ó yá lókè lọ.
Yeah, sure.
What about the car document with you?
Yes.
I will see. Bring it down.
All right, thank you. Yes.
That's your wife. That's our license.
Yes.
Let me see.
Why? Why? My own?
That lady.
My own?
You are Mr. Godwin.
Yes, I'm Mr. Gordon.
Good job.
Good your job. Oh no.
Let me see your driver's license.
Okay, want to see my driving license? Okay. Oh. This is my driving license.
Godwin. Alan Jones. Let me see this.
No, you don't have any right to see any other person's driving license now.
No. It's good to know.
No, it's not. It's not your. It's not your. It's not your. It's not your duty. I'm sorry. Your duty is me. It is me that you stop.
No, we are here or stop and search.
But you don't have the right to tell anybody else's property. That is somebody else's identity now. What do you need it for?
Okay?
That is somebody else's identity. What do you need it for?
If that person is safe or something.
The person is safe. Don't worry, safe.
Eh?
The person is safe. Don't worry.
The person is safe.
Yeah.
You are the one telling us that he's safe now. But we are a law enforcement agent now.
I'm also a law-abiding citizen of the country. Have I not been?
So if you see somebody property your vehicle, you need to explain to us in detail that this person.
I've explained to you in details.
This is my son.
The only thing I owe you, sorry officer, listen. Yes. The only thing I owe you is my driving license and my car paper.
This now people miss on a daily basis.
Any other thing about this car, I am not giving you consent about it. The only thing I owe you is this paper and this driving license, nothing else.
So if we
it is not your duty, officer.
We are using to protect our property. Are you aware?
I'm a law-abiding citizen too now.
No, you are
Officer,
not
you are actually delaying me. I've given you my car paper, my driving license.
Sir, somebody passed.
That is you prognosing on somebody else.
Tell us.
You are prognosing that you are being now. You are being nosy.
We have right to ask who is that person.
You don't have rights.
Yes, we have
you
rights.
don't have rights.
Can you find?
How can you be asking me about somebody else that is not in this car?
So
I don't understand.
Somebody.
Mr. Man, you don't have any other business in this car as a whole than this car paper and this driving license.
We have right to ask who is that
you
person.
don't have rights.
We have
the person
rights.
is not here. Is there any complainant? What are you looking for in that place?
If that person is speaking,
my friend, can you please just attend to me? I want to go. Thank you.
Can you put the call to anybody? It's your senior officer.
Can you please attend to me?
You can call his senior officer.
Officer, can you please attend to me so I can go? I have given you my car.
And so you are above the police.
I'm not above the police.
So we can
you stopped me. I stopped very well.
Nobody will fault us for doing that.
You asked me for my car paper. I give it to you.
Somebody driving license.
Oh God, officer, can you please attend to me? Let me go.
If I see it and the name Tani, your surname, I will know that it's your wife.
Officer, can you please attend to me? Let me go. Thank you.
We are not above the law.
I am not above the law.
I'm not got contrary to the law. I'm not got outside
officer,
the law.
I'm not here to do this.
But we are want to be difficult now.
I'm sorry. Please attend to me.
We see somebody driving license. Who is that person?
Officer, please attend to me. Let me go now.
You owe us explanation to that effect. You owe us explanation to that effect.
Officer, I've had you. Sorry.
I was even talking to you.
I have had you, officer. Sorry. I have had you now. I have had you, Mr.
Who is that person?
Oh God.
Who is that person? Who is that person?
Officer, I am not giving you.
IG will not fault me for that.
I am not giving you any other consent apart from my car paper and my driving license.
My brother, IG will not fault me for asking that.
I'm not here to drag anything with you. All I'm saying is.
We see somebody.
Officer, I have had you. I understand what you said, right? All I'm saying is, I am not.
Is that person your sister?
Officer,
your wife?
Can I speak? Can I speak?
Yeah, speak.
I am not giving you any other consent.
We are not quarreling with you.
And let me speak now.
Mr. Godwin.
Yes, I want to speak.
No.
Let me. You asked me to speak now.
No.
Let me speak. Let me speak.
We are not quarreling.
I'm not quarreling with you. I want to speak. I'm not being difficult.
Bros.
The only consent I am giving you, as at now, is this car paper and driving license. Any other consent, I am not giving you. If I want to give you any other consent now, it has to be, for example, maybe my lawyer is the only person I can furnish that information to, and he can talk to you. The only talk I have with you right now is this my car paper.
Anything we see in the vehicle, that belongs to you, we ask a question.
Okay.
You can claim ownership. If we say I'm not a contrary to what I've seen, it's our duty to ask a question. Who is it? You have the right to ask us, officer. This thing you're saying here is my wife.
I don't have the right. I don't have the right to tell you. Do you know why?
Hold on. Let me finish.
Okay, finish. Okay, finish.
This person is my sister.
Okay.
This person is my brother.
Okay.
You know the reason? Now this country is some area we are not safe.
Okay.
They need to kidnap people on a daily basis.
Yes, that's true.
Their property prevention. The property of that victim can be your vehicle. And not the law of searching. Police can discover it and lay hand on that particular thing.
Yes, you're
and
right.
if person is big to you, if you're unable to answer police a concrete answer to that effect, you look suspicious.
I can answer you that question in a civil, or let me say a civilized country.
Civilized
apart
country.
From Nigeria.
They are not civilized.
Hold on, you have spoken. So let me speak. The only reason why I won't answer this is because if I answer you this now, it's not going to now erupt another discussion entirely. That is how police does in Nigeria.
We should not have bad impression of the country.
It's the truth I am speaking. If I want to answer you about this driving license, who is this person here, I can give that consent to my lawyer only.
Okay.
My lawyer now will now be the one to now talk to you about whoever that is here. But as I'm sitting down here, the only consent I can give you is my car paper and my driving license. Any other question you want to ask me now, I can give that consent to my lawyer and he will speak to you people, not me again. Do you understand? The reason is because we are in a country where some policemen, let me use the word some policemen, will divert everything and put it to somewhere else. But are you getting I get your point. But do you get my point as well?
I'm with you.
So that's it. That's right.
God, it's not all police.
That's why I said some.
No,
You understand? That's the reason why I use the word some. Some policemen, right? This thing now can now lead to many shagets. That's why I'm saying I am not giving you consent because it happens.
Because I got you.
You understand?
Any woman that does evil,
okay,
will repeat.
Normal. Even life, I say, oh, even me. You understand?
Anyone that fabricate offense,
you understand?
Innocent, it will repeat.
Because everything you said, I understand. You are right. But you understand my own point too, right?
You.
That's
it's
it.
not police that do that.
I understand. That's why I use the word some.
God forbid. I will not do that.
Thank you very much.
In case next time, my brother, if anything in your vehicle, if not belongs to your family, you have your conscience.
No, my conscience is free. I can defend this, but I just don't want something that will now be prolonging matters.
It's not police.
Do you understand me? Thank you, my man.
No.
Take care.
Ordinarily, you look like to
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.